I spent 17 years in the HVAC industry after serving as a nuclear power electrician. And if there is one thing I learned from the Navy, it is that your gear is only as good as the technical data backing it up. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the premium category head to head: the Armstrong Air A7H P99V and the Rheem RA16i. These are ducted split systems designed for high-end performance. But as always, the devil is in the details. Let's start with the armor. When you are looking at these cabinets, the build quality tells you how long that investment will actually last in the elements. The Armstrong Air A7H P19V comes with a louvered coil guard, which I prefer every single day of the week. Those steel louvers protect the delicate aluminum fins from hail, stray rocks, and the neighbor's weed whacker. The Rheem RA16A also features a louvered cabinet design that provides excellent protection while allowing for easier cleaning. Both of these units are a massive step up from the cheap wire guards you see on entry-level equipment that leave your coils naked to the world. Moving into the gut of the machine, we are looking at efficiency and electrical demand. The Armstrong unit pulls a 19.0 SEER rating, while the Rheem RA16AY clocks in at 16.0 SEER. Both units utilize two-stage compressors, which is a game changer for your electric bill. From an electrical perspective, two-stage tech is beautiful because the unit can run on its lower stage most of the time. This significantly reduces the frequency of high current startups. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. For the equipment alone, you are looking at roughly $3,400 to $4,800 for the Armstrong Air, while the Rheem RA16A typically lands between $3,200 and $4,200 for the condenser. However, the installed price is where the real variance happens. A full professional installation for the Armstrong A7H P9V generally ranges from $9,000 to $13,500. The Rheem RA16AY usually falls in the $8,500 to $12,000 range. Rheem often wins slightly on the initial price point, making it a very competitive premium option. Before we hit the winner, remember that even the best two-stage system is just a giant paperweight if you don't keep the coils clean. The warranty battle is where things get interesting. Both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, but Armstrong Air steps up with a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just swap the part. They give you a whole new outdoor unit. Rheem also offers a 10-year unit replacement warranty on this model, provided it's installed as a matched system and registered within 90 days. The verdict? I am naming the Armstrong Air A7H P19V the winner of this matchup. While the Rheem is a phenomenal piece of engineering and slightly easier on the wallet, the Armstrong pulls ahead with its superior 19.0 SEER efficiency rating and the robust American-made build quality. For a homeowner looking at the long-term bottom line, that extra efficiency adds up, and the peace of mind you get from their consistent unit replacement policy is hard to beat. Shop like a pro by using our head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to compare all of the brands.